Go again.
Lead corner, Shimana Zhurova, 2021 world champion. 68 kilos. Her opponent, Nanoka Ozaki, 21 years old. World champion last year at 65 kilos at the non-Olympic weight. Her to say that term non-Olympic weight, there are 6 Olympic weight classes in each of the 3 competitive styles, men's and women's freestyle Greco-Roman during the off-Olympic years, so the 3 other years in the quad. World Championships hosted by Global Wrestling have 10 weight classes in Greco, 10 in women's freestyle, 10 in men's freestyle. So, but for the Olympic Games, we just have 6 per. So when you hear us say non-Olympic weight, that's what we are referring to. So those athletes have to opt to go up or down should they want to compete at the Olympic Games for their respective nation.
Directly lying down, so then both opponent here in last time he is blocking my leg, takedown confirmed, and after it's a lift, it's a throw in danger position, it's 4-point red, so final decision, 2-point red and 4-point red, and challenge lost.
Saki has come back to tie it up and take the lead on Criteria.
Vainqueur, tapis A, en rouge, représentant le Kyrgyzstan.
And your winner on mat A, from Kyrgyzstan, Joloman Sharshenbekov.
Ай, молодец! Ай, молодец! Atamazsın benim! Benim! Ay, молодец!
The late takedown wins it from Kyrgyzstan.
Dur! Büyük barı. Kırgızistan golü. Biletini koymayın.
B, vainqueur, en bleu, représentant le Kyrgyzstan.
And your winner on that B, from Kyrgyzstan, Miriam Jumana Zarova.